Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve SOF International Mathematics Olympiad 2018 paper for class 4. There are total 4 sections: logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, everyday mathematics and achiever section. Today we will solve logical reasoning and mathematical reasoning, and remaining 2 sections we will solve in next video. Please watch the video and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with logical reasoning. Question number 1. Shania started making model on 15th October 20XX. Her teacher asked her to submit the model on second day after 4th Thursday of October 20XX. On which date will she submit her model? First we will complete the calendar. Now here what will come: 11 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and how many days are in October? 31. Now first Thursday is on 4th, second is on 11th, third is on 18 and fourth is on 25th, and second day after 4th Thursday is 27. So she will submit her model on 27th October. Here A is a correct answer. Question number 2. The code for the sum letters are given below. Find the code for study. So here S is, then T, U, D and Y. So this is the code for study. D is the right answer. Question number 3. There is certain relationship between the pair of figure on either side of this. Identify the relation of given pair and find the missing figure. Now relationship between these two figures is, this shaded part is interchange and circles are interchange. So what will come here? Now shaded part will come here, and here S, P, P, S. Circle will interchange. So which is the right figure? D is the correct answer. Question number 4. Some letters are given which are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Find the combination of numbers so that letters are interchanged according to form the meaningful word. The letters and numbers are given. So we find out the meaningful word. Here one is H, 5, A, 2, E, 4, T and 3, W. In B, 1, 2, 3 means H, E, W, 5, 4, A, T. C, 3, 2, W, E, 4, T, 5, A and 1, H. And 3, 1, 2, 3, W, 1, H, 2, E, 5, A and 4, T. So here meaningful word is wheat. So D is correct answer. Question number 5. Which of the following figure will complete the given figure pattern? We first complete the figure. Here dot, here dot, then here grey color, and here pink color. So B is the correct answer. Question number 6. Which of the following figure is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its part? So here D is the correct answer. Question number 7. Find the correct mirror image of the given figure. The image will be like this. D is the correct image for given figure. Question number 8. Ritvik is facing the school. If he makes 5/8 turns clockwise, then what will he be facing? There are total 8 directions, and out of 8 he turns 5 clockwise. So he is facing school. He take 5 turns. So 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. So Ritvik will be facing the post office. D is the correct answer. Question number 9. If the positions of both R and Y are interchanged, then the 7th boat to the left of 2nd boat from the right end is dash. If the position of both R and Y are interchanged, then Y will come here and R here. So the 2nd boat from the right end is R, and 7 to the left of both R is boat Y. So D is a correct answer. Question number 10. How many of the following figure have at least one line of symmetry? Figure first have 2 line of symmetry. This figure have no line of symmetry. This figure have 1 line of symmetry, and this figure have no line of symmetry. So there are 2 figures which have no line of symmetry. So B is the right answer. Next section is mathematical reasoning. Question number 11. What is the weight of one ball in gram? Here 4 balls equal to 500 gram plus 200 gram plus 200 gram means 900 gram. So one ball is equal to 900 divided by 4 is equal to 225 gram. So option A is correct answer. Question number 12. Which of the following option is incorrect? Option A, 1 liter 30 ml is equal to 1030 ml. It is correct option. Option B, 2 liter 75 milliliter is equal to 2075 milliliter. It is also correct option. Option C is 3 liter 50 milliliter is equal to 3500 milliliter. It is incorrect because it will come 3050 milliliter. So C is the incorrect option. C is the right answer. Question number 13. Study the pictograph showing the number of students qualified in various sports. Here sports and number of students are given. Each trophy stands for 10 students. How many more students qualified in badminton and football altogether than in cricket? Each trophy stands for 10 students. So here 30 students cricket 50 students, tennis 20 students, badminton 40 students, and all together football and badminton total 30 plus 40 70 students. In cricket there are 50 students, so difference is 20 students. So 20 more students qualified in badminton and football altogether than cricket. B is the correct answer. Question number 14. Consider a triangle shown and select the correct option. Option A. If AB is equal to AC is equal to BC, then ABC is isosceles triangle. If all sides are equal, then that triangle is called as equilateral triangle. So this is incorrect option. Option B. If AB is not equal to BC is not equal to AC, then ABC is called equilateral triangle. If all the sides are not same, then that triangle is called as a scalene triangle. So this is also incorrect option. So D is a correct answer. Question number 15. Think a number, multiply by 12, add 6, multiply by 3, subtract 9, divide by 11. The result is 27. What is your number? We check with option C. If my number is 8, multiply by 12 means 96, plus 6 102, 102 into 3 is equal to 306, subtract 9, minus 9 is equal to 297, and divide by 11 is equal to 27. So 8 is the correct answer. Question number 16. Sum of numbers on which two colored balloon is more than 8500 if they are rounded off to nearest 10. The sum of number of red and yellow balloons is equal to 8445. Then sum of yellow and orange is yellow and orange is equal to 9267, and sum of red and orange is 8500. So which is more? Yellow and orange. So B is correct answer. Question number 17. How many of given apple show the common multiples of 3 and 5? 3 5s are 15 and 5 3s are 15. So 15 is common. Then 15 3s are 45 and 5 9s are 45. So 45 is common. Then 3 10s are 30 and 5 6 are 30. 30 is common. And 20 into 3 60 and 5 into 12 into 60 is common. So there are 4 common multiples of 3 and 5. Option A is correct. Question number 18. Which of the following statement is true about the number shown by Gagan? Option A. The difference between place value of 8 and 1 is 8990. The place value of 8 is 8000 and 1 is 10 is equal to, so it is false statement. Option B. Expanded form of number is, it should be 4000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 0. So it is also false statement. Option C, estimated value of number when rounded off to nearest 100 is. To round it off nearest 100, we have to check the tens place. Tens place is less than 5. So, remaining places become 0. 68400. True statement. Option D, number formed by last 3 digit can be written as CDXI. It is written as CDXVI. So, it is also false statement. Only C statement is correct. C is right answer. Question number 19. Each atom in the given picture stands for a different value. The sum of each row and column is given. What is the value of this? Here first row is for 125, second 196 and third 240. Now we first check this. This 3 thermos is for 54 rupees. Then 1 thermos is for 18 rupees. Now this 1 thermos is for 18 rupees. 2 thermos for 36 rupees. Then what is cost of this? 196 minus 36 is 160. Now this thermos is for 18. This hot pot is for 160. So 160 plus 18, 178. Then cost of fan is 240 minus 170 is 62. Now thermos is for 18. This fan is for 62. Then cost of this what? 18 plus 62 is 80. And cost of this is 125 minus 80 is equal to 45. So D is right answer. Question number 20. Compare and fill the box. Here CCC XX IV. CCC is 100 means 324 plus CCLXIX means 269 and DCCLII is D is 500, C is 100. It's 752 minus CLVI is 156. This total is 593 and this subtraction is 596. So 596 is greater than 593. So B is right answer. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.